The Pixel 5 will launch on September 30th. This year feels weird, and to cap it all off, phone launches are going helter-skelter. iPhones, which usually launch early in September, are delayed, and now the Pixel, which usually launches in October, is launch early. Yeah, Google has confirmed the launch date for the next Pixel flagship, and it's coming on September 30th. The invite is for a virtual event, obviously, and Google mentions that the company will talk about its new Chromecast, smart speaker, and Pixel smartphones. We already know almost everything there is to know about Google's hardware efforts this year. We know about the Sabrina dongle that's likely to come with Chromecast and Google TV, yeah, Android TV is being renamed back to Google TV, we know of Google's new smart speakers, and of course, the Pixel phones are infamous for being leaked every which way before they launch. Based on leaked renders, we know that the Pixel 5 will come with dual cameras, and a punch-hole display along with a mostly recognizable Pixel design. There's not going to be any Project Soli hardware on the phone this year, but the renders do show a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. The surprises start under the hood, where Google's flagship is expected to pack in the Snapdragon 765G instead of the flagship 8 series processor. That will take some explaining, but hopefully it will also reflect in the launch price for the phone. Also expected in a 90Hz display, up to 8GB RAM, and a 4,000 mAh battery. The event will begin on September 30th at 11 AM PT, that's 11:30 PM IST for us in India, so stay tuned.